Let's now complete challenge 4. Click on next challenge 4. This is the background. You can watch these videos. Then come to the challenge part. You have to go to dataset list called seq.data. Give here dataset list seq.data. Then in front of it give E, which means edit. Here give pf show off. And this will hide the 2 lines. So you can see more data on the screen. So now you can see more data on the screen. So in line 7 we have characters like these. We have to change this by giving this command. You have to copy this command. Copy. Then on the top line paste it. So it will change all the 00 to this. And it will change 01 to this line. So you can see this is the reverse of this command. Let's enter. And it is showing the lines where this change has happened. So in these lines there was change in the characters. And then we have to enter another command which is given here. Copy and then paste here and enter, and then again in these lines changes happened. In these lines also changes happened. In these lines also changes happened. Here is the explanation of all the changes. You can read it. And the image which earlier used to look like this, now it is looking like this. These are the characters of Simpson. To remove this CHG, give here reset. Then it is asking us to go to line number 00002. Let's go there. This is line 002. And overtype it with DD. So I give here DD. Then go to line number 9 and give there also DD. So this is line number 9. Give here DD. And then press the enter key. So all the lines were deleted. Then it is asking us to enter this command. So I'll copy this, paste it here. Replace p2.output number 4. This is challenge number 4, that is why it is 4. Tab to the line 001. So this is line 001. And overtype with CC. So give here CC. Tab to the last line and overtype with CC. Go to down. And in the last line you have to give CC. Press the enter key. It is asking us that truncation will occur. Truncation is expected. Press the enter key to proceed. Press the enter key. So you can see member 04 replaced. Then give and return to save the changes. Then give here and return, and dataset has been. Then again here give dataset list p2.output. Then browse this dataset and then go to option 4. Give here S for select, and you can see this is the challenge 4. We have successfully completed challenge 4 as well. That is it. Just go back. And this is what you learned in this section. We have successfully completed challenge 4. We can move on to challenge 5. Next challenge 5.